Hey guys, Karen with Curl House. I'm a licensed cosmetologist, a certified trichologist, and the owner of the Curl House Hair Restoration Collection. And what do you think we're going to talk about today? Do you have any idea what we're going to talk about today? Any idea? Okay, I'm being silly. Eat green. We are going to talk about eating green, but before I talk about it, let me just give you the origin of eating green. So last year, I was just having some health challenges, nothing major. I just had like some aches and pains in my body. I couldn't explain what was going on within my body. So I went out to eat and I ordered a veggie burger and I was about to order a side of fries. Right before I was going to order the fries, I heard a voice that was the voice of God that said, "Eat green." And when I heard the voice, I immediately knew what it meant. So as opposed to ordering the side of fries, I ordered a side salad. And I have been eating a side salad ever since. But eating the salad eating the greens is what I needed to heal these aches and pains that was going on in my body. So eat green. That's what we're talking about today. Now, I eat green for my health, not just for my hair. You know, I'm keeping it real. I eat green, or I eat green leafy vegetables primarily because it makes me feel fabulous. I feel great after I eat a dark green leafy salad. I just feel good. So eating green is not just for the hair, it's also for the body, because you know healthy hair starts within a healthy body. But eating green also has a ton of benefits for your hair and for healthy hair and healthy hair growth. So that is what we're going to talk about today, but I'm not going to sit here and talk about it. I'm going to head over to the kitchen so that I can show you what I eat every single day. I'm encouraging you to incorporate what I call my super power salad for both healthy body and healthy hair. All right, let's go to the kitchen. Okay, real quick. Why dark green leafy vegetables? Dark green leafy vegetables are full of iron, among other things. And do you know that iron deficiency is the #1 deficiency ranked by the World Health Organization? And you know, iron deficiency definitely leads to slow growing hair and hair loss. So at the base of our salad is dark green leafy vegetables, and they include kale. Look at that. Y'all see that generous amount of kale? Kale is also rich in vitamin C and iron, and kale helps to nourish the scalp and promote stronger circulation for growth. Next up is spinach, which is super high in iron. It helps to prevent hair loss. It also has vitamins A and C, all of which are necessary for hair growth. Then there's arugula, which has a high concentration of antioxidants, folates, vitamin K, and B9 that promotes hair growth and nourishes the hair as well. And next is my favorite, blueberries, which contain vitamins K, C, and copper, which helps to maintain healthy hair, strengthens the hair by building collagen, and accelerating hair growth. Now, apples. Apples are my favorite as well. They help to make your roots strong, and they balance the pH of your scalp and keep problems like dandruff and hair fall at bay. Next up is flax seeds. Flax seeds are rich in vitamins B, E, and omega-3 fatty acids. They help to improve your hair health and reduce hair loss. They also improve scalp health and balance your pH levels. Okay, let's toss some walnuts on this salad. Walnuts have antifungal properties, so they definitely prevent damage, they reduce hair fall, and they help to repair damaged hair. Now, the next thing we're going to bring in is some chia seeds. Chia seeds are full of essential amino acids and are awesome for the scalp. They help fight inflammation. They also contain zinc and copper, which helps to prevent thinning hair, which helps to improve hair growth. Now, this is my favorite Skinny Girl raspberry vinaigrette dressing, which is relatively healthy. It may be a little high in sodium, though. So another option is just to use red wine vinegar. But I don't really like it, but it is very, very healthy for you. That's an option. You can also put olive oil, which is also like one of my key dressings, which olive oil is just full of proteins, antioxidants, and antimicrobial agents that really do contribute to healthy hair. And mix it all up after you add that dressing. And then after it's all mixed up, ooh, yes. Give it a taste. It is fabulous. So I hope you all enjoyed this video on how I make my superpower salad. I encourage you to make a salad of your own. Like I said, you don't have to stop eating the other stuff, but just include a salad into your daily meal plan. It will make you feel better, and it will help with, it will make you feel better, and it will also help with healthy hair and healthy hair growth. Okay, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss a video, and until we talk again, stay fabulous.